What is up, YouTube? That Neon Channel here for another daily video. Redoing the intro. This video is already done. I'm just doing the intro, but we got Shay. Say hey. Hey. So this is the beginning of the 600 horsepower Neon build. So this is going to be a whole nother build series. Like I said, we'll hop around from build to build. This is titled, this series is going to be 600 horsepower Neon build. So we're going to take because I built this motor, I'm going to take the pistons and rods out of here because I have Wesco pistons and Eagle rods. I have a windage tray in the bottom, high flow water pump, DCR, belt tensioner, DCR, idler pulley, all kinds of cool stuff done to this. I got a big turbo over there, and we're going to stick all that into a first gen block. We already pulled the turbo off. That was part of this video. You'll see that in a little bit. And we pulled it out of time. But we're going to take the pistons and rods, put it in this first gen block, and run Mega Squirt. But, so, enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys next time for another daily video. So, peace. I'll just talk myself. Alright guys, so Shay has gotten, make sure it's recording guys. So Shay got the top bolts off. Get the fuck out of the way, Joe. So got the top bolts out right here. She got all the bottom bolts out except for one, right? What's that key there? Then we're gonna remove this turbo off. Where's the bolt ratchets? I don't know why I'm pointing out there. So I don't know why I'm pointing way over there. So pray guys that this shit doesn't corrupt when I put it in my fucking phone to edit it. If that doesn't fucking work, then I'm gonna have to somehow fucking figure out how to edit on my computer that has no fucking memory. We need to get a 10 to take that off. I gotta go find a 10. I'll be back. Shay's taking this last bolt out. Oh, there was one still there. I was thinking about that one. Just taking that one out. I'm going to take that one out. And then I'll show you the main reason we're not using this block. I was going to try to sell it. Maybe if somebody still wants to buy this block, we can buy it. Use the other side. It's not good.
Whoa, what the fuck? I'm an Incredible Hulk.
Use this side. It's tight.
I might shit myself. Give me that.
Leverage helps.
Holy dick, this one needs some
How
creeping
much does
oil.
leverage help?
I don't know.
What's it need?
Some creeping oil.
Shay said no more butt shot, guys. She caught me. This is gonna take my YouTube channel away.
Alright. It's just gonna fall off my toes.
I need to take these two turbo bolts off.
What?
Freeze.
Freeze.
Where's that other bolt at?
Whoa, you can't measure it. Let me do it. Look, now you got to pick all them up. Why don't you just put it back?
Still loose. Still too. Sure, you should know that
Yeah, that's embarrassing.
I
I don't know what's going on.
They're still kind of loose, but whatever. I'm just gonna separate it right there. Look, you heard that. You heard that.
What is falling out? Is there another one in there still somewhere?
Hold it on there then. Because I'm not ready to take it off until I get these turbo lines off.
Well, you should have did that first.
I forgot.
I was wondering why she was so fucking hard. 'Cause I had to reach in between all that shit down there, so I couldn't get that one last one off. It was pissing me off.
600 horsepower neon build. Yeah, this vehicle be fun. Plane is built bottom end, built head, big turbo 60 trim, box intake, full exhaust, adjustable king gears. Definitely have to get a new clutch. Hopefully cams again, and built head, built bottom end, big turbo, and corn. I got injectors, I got big ass wastegate, open wastegate. I guess you could call it atmosphere wastegate. No more little baby turbo. I had my time with the little baby turbo. I tried it out on another car. My SRT swap. It was fun. You can pull that off right now. With your hands. Take it off carefully. Don't keep it exhaust.
I forgot something.
Keep it a little bit more. There we go. The exhaust is gasket
What am I stuck on still? There's a lot of shit down there.
Alright, cool.
Can I let go?
Stock turbos off, guys. Oh shit, I don't know where I pushed. Hopefully not. Stock turbos off. We got access to there. Now we can probably take it at a time. I need to get baggies to put all these new bolts in. I bought brand new bolts. They might be rusty, but they're still all brand new.
Oh my god.
These are all brand new. You okay? You dying?
Yeah.
There's our big turbo, big
The
wastegate.
biggest cramp
Here's our
in my
block.
lower back.
Now we gotta get this,
Oh,
maybe the
goodness.
valve cover off. Take these and stick them back on here for now.
Alright. Look at you, man. Why don't you just leave
We'll be right back. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there on that oil pressure thing, there's a crack. That's why I don't want to use this block. I'm pretty sure there's one up here too where someone tightened it in too much. I'll get a nice good picture with my phone, but yeah, it's fucked. In case the GoPro don't pick it up. It's dickered. It's still, 1080p 60 feet per second, but I just don't know about the quality. We can take this thermostat housing off and get it out of the way, which is Allen heads. Let me go grab an Allen head thing and I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back with the cool Husky 38-piece freaking bit socket set. Yay! And we got the motherfucking size we need for right there. I don't know what size it is.
What am I looking at? Stop! I'll do it. Let me figure it out.
Okay.
This is the only time I'm ever gonna learn nothing.
You know what we're taking out? There's three
Fuck
right
no,
there.
we're
There's
taking out
one
these.
there and two on the bottom. The one beside that's bolted down. Use these ones.
What?
Try this one.
But it looks like this one.
No, those ones are full squares. Those ones are Torx, because you can use those.
Is that too big?
Yeah, it's a little bit too big. You might have to use those. Here, use these.
What is it? The wrong kind?
T40. No, they're fine. It's just, figure we could just use
How the
the...
fuck is this on here?
Rusty?
Huh?
Rusty?
Yep.
You got it unloosened?
That's this way, right?
Mm-hmm. That's Lucy right there.
This one's a little rusty.
No, Rusty?
Needs
It's
a
a brand new
oil.
bolt.
Everything's brand new when it's rusty, right?
Yeah, it's sure. I mean, it is brand new. I bought all these birds new and never even used them.
Stop joking. Ow.
You hurt yourself? Did you grab your hair?
Yes.
Tight? Need leverage?
Nah, I'm strong.
She's stronger.
I need more applesauce.
More applesauce.
Ow, I'm gonna cut my leg on that thing. Whoa. Turn it fast I could. What am I doing, dude? Whoops.
Ooh, it smelled belligerent.
What'd I eat?
China.
Some wonton soup and some Dr. Pepper.
That's what smells, Dr. Pepper.
I need some.
Not the soda. That Dr. Pepper you had.
What? I'm faster, look.
What do you think about it?
I'm already falling out, look. Oh, I
see,
thought
look,
you wanted
brand
to save
new.
that.
Too bad you can't use that. That sucks, dude.
Put it on the eBay.
Brand new, guys. Mopar.
Put it on the Kijiji.
Hold up.
You want me to put these back in the motor?
Yeah.
Whoa, watch it.
We went through them and stay at house, and that'll probably be for sale too. I might just hold on to it all.
Shit.
I'm a part hoarder.
I know.
We'll see how I deal with it.
You hoard everything. You probably got shit for cars you don't have. Ow, be careful. You're just busting me in the knee.
We need to pull it off of here next.
Yeah, well, give me a second. I'm putting these back in so they don't get lost.
Twist and pull. That's good.
I gotta screw it down so
Well,
it
I
doesn't
mean-
fall out.
Alright, we'll be back after she gets this.
I got one more.
In a half hour. Into the
Oh, goodness.
twist and pull. Oh!
Whoa, man.
Coolant lines out of the way. That'll probably be for sale.
That's how they came up with the name woman. Because the one was helping a man.
That's goofy. Take this off, I guess.
Ouch. What am I taking
Nah,
off?
it's fine.
What?
I was gonna say take the thermostat gasket off, but it's fine.
You need these off?
No, they're fine. We'll probably take it out of time next. Put this back and shut it up. Let me find the sockets we need. What did you say?
Huh?
Huh? Alright guys, so now we're gonna bust the cam gears loose real quick before we do anything with the timing. So she's gonna bust those two loose. What size is it? I don't know if you guys can see.
19.
19. That fit nice and tight.
Uh-huh. Whoa, man. Sit on the motor.
You got it. Don't break yourself.
That's how you know I'm strong.
Get the other one. You gotta take it out here. This one more loose. We don't need these cam gears. They're just, we have like adjustables. We got DCR fucking idler tensioner and DCR or whatever is upgraded fucking idler pulley.
What else am I taking off?
I guess we need an 8mm.
They're bleeding.
That's cool. That's why it used to be called Bustin' Knuckles Garage. We don't have an 8mm. Is that a screwdriver? Yeah, you get,
Yeah, it's a Phillips.
you get the Phillips thingy out of that thing. We'll be right back after I clean this thing off. You said you forgot you were here.
Huh?
You said you forgot he was here.
Who? He's here.
Getting the dog. Remember you said, oh, I didn't know you were still in here, buddy. You want me to get your screwdriver? Or is that easy enough?
It's fine, I guess.
Okay, I'm just asking.
Use part ways your fingers for anyways.
Maybe I can use this timing cover on my car. Actually, I got a brand new one on there. There. I'll just save this one. On Helen timing cover. See, the 2.0 dual cams, the single cams, the oil pressure sensors there. 2.4s is way over here in the middle of the block. And the SRT4s is back over here. It's so weird sometimes.
Oops. This is the last one over here.
Yeah, some difficult.
Yeah, that is fucking rusty one. You have to
The 12 is. Now we're gonna have to take this bolt out right here and then untension it with that thing, I'm pretty sure. These fucking mechanical tensioners get harder and harder to use, but this one's upgraded. It has like a bigger bolt in there, and this is upgraded, it's a bigger bolt. This is like stronger so it never fails or some shit like that. Loosen it like one more time. And then you can get the Allen key and stick it on that thing. That's fine. I want to do this. Get it out of that box over there.
What size is it?
I don't know. It's kind of small.
It's what?
Kind of small.
Like this?
That or a little bit bigger.
Fuck. Goodness. Fuck, dude, I almost had it right.
Damn near. I didn't know there was another rubber band underneath it. Damn, that's what I did. Is it loose? I don't like how loose it is. Try the rail on top.
What? This?
Next one. Perfect.
Yeah.
Put your ratchet on there and turn it a little bit. There you go. Yeah, you got it. There. That's tightening it, so go the other way. You got it. That's good. Stop, too far. Go back. Just gotta get the belt loose. Now pull the belt on and wrap it. And we're gonna finish with taking this belt off. We'll take the head off maybe tomorrow. Because my battery is about to fucking die already, which sucks. I'm gonna have to order some new batteries. Especially if this is how I have to record. It's a pain in the butt to get it out of there, but brand new belt. We can use this though. This is a DCR sold. I need you to take this bolt off next, and then take these can gears off. Hurry up, my battery's dying. This city pop.
What am I doing?
I don't know what size. I think it's like a 17. Right here. Might even be at 19. It's definitely 17 or 18. That one got the trick too?
No.
Got the keys?
Yep. What the fuck was that?
I didn't hear nothing.
I didn't know. Is this the right way?
Yeah, hold on there, that's fair. Is it tight?
Oh, fuck no, it's
I'm
loose.
talking about the socket on there. I don't want stripping it out.
It's not moving anywhere.
Okay.
Is this going the right way though?
Yeah,
Pulling
hold
up
it
towards
straight.
me? Huh?
Yeah, hold on there straight though.
But it is.
Now it is.
But who's...
Get a
we need
bar if
somebody
you
to
need a
sit on
bar.
the motor.
Go. Get a bar. That's all that work. back after she finds the bar. Now she's going to try a bar. Show you how much easier it is. Oh, it's like butter, ain't it?
Oh my god, the dog. So spoiled.
Is that easier?
Yeah.
How much?
Very easier. I could probably did it with one hand. Instead of pulling
Just
the
taking it
whole
out.
motor up.
Two volts out before she gets on.
Shut up, ignorant.
Ignorant.
You ignorant son of a bitch.
Ignorant, son of a bitch.
At least I don't have band-aids on my finger.
Sorry guys, we just act goofy.
Got it. I took the whole thing out.
I got the idle attention. That's the whole idea. We wiggle this one off. The other
Oh
side.
yeah, here. Take this. Oh fuck, I'm losing it.
Dang. That's $100.
Too bad. Take it off what you owe me. What am I doing? What am I doing now?
Take that other gear off like I did.
Oh, you just pull it off?
Wiggle it, yeah. Alright, what's next? Need to take these 8s out right here. And we're going to end with that. And the
What happened to the
13.
sockets, dude? You hijacked them.
You can't use that. What are we going to use? Shit. We got to find an 8. Well.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us for the 600 horsepower neon
Look.
build.
This is
And,
a new addition. This helps you go faster.
We gotta strip this shit down and get our parts out, and then start building that one up to hold our parts that we take out of this and put in there, and make a badass neon that's gonna be fast as fuck and
Shoot
put down,
flames.
yeah, shoot flames and put down work.
Shoot 4'10" flames. Flames that are as tall as me.
Here's our dump. If I can give you any clues. There's our wastegate. I think it's gonna go straight up out the roof. I mean the hood roof. We're gonna have a hood wastegate. But yeah. Thumbs up for neon build. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at where can they find you on Instagram?
That is so funny.
Huh?
Don't.
Where can we follow you on Instagram?
That_neon_channel.
And you can follow me at that neon channel. One word _2.0. Peace.
It's really freaky when you get up from my eye and shit. Oh my god.
That's cool, Dad. You can start recording from the phone. Yeah. It's cool if you can zoom in. I have to do it for my app now. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Taking pictures of this bad dog.
I can see you from where I'm at.
What?
I can see you from where I'm at. You know what I'm saying?
Where?
Look around.
Right closer?
I can see you. You're looking right at your face.
My face.
Yeah, I don't see you around.
Huh?
Now I want to see you around. Your face.
Where is it?
You're looking all the way.
What?
Look up. Just a little. See it? Huh?
Huh?
See it?
Yeah,
Where?
right there.
Where?
On the batteries.
Go with your finger. That was awesome.